Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add cloud balloons effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So what you need to do is prepare the video first, and after that you can go straight to effect, and after that go to the video effects and find the nature category, this one. And in here you can just easily find the cloud blend effect. Click on that and it will be automatically added to your clip. You can adjust it more. Here you can adjust the size of the cloud, the stickers, and also the position. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical to adjust the position of the cloud, and you can also adjust the speed. Click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.